Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull with a candle on him. So that's going to be fun and relatively easy, okay? So if you like Halloween, stick around for the whole video. Stay all the way to the very end. It's really short and very easy to get through the video, I think. So let's hop right in. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a line right there. Just a small line for the top of the nasal cavity of the skull. Downward right here. Downward right here. Going to go line up, back. Whoops, I just dropped my marker. 1 second. Okay. Gonna go over here, pull up. Gonna draw a kind of a curved line right here for the inner part of the eye socket. Line over here, back, down here. Curve underneath. Kind of pulling that line up a little bit. I'm gonna find the far side eye socket now, like there. Curve. Line underneath here for kind of that. It's kind of like a little shape underneath the eye socket there. That's what we're gonna put. We're gonna roll into the zygomatic arch. Zygomatic arch, right, which is the cheekbone. Down. Underneath here for kind of the jaw. Up. And right there as well. It's kind of like, you know, the teeth, the tooth cylinder. That's the upper brow. Line over here for the top of the head. And we're gonna have this kind of wiggliness on the top of the head there. That's gonna be the wax that's falling. Up over here for the candlestick. Wiggly part here. Line up. Again, that's more wax. Line up over there. And we're gonna have a flame at the top. Gonna pull back, down, curve in. Line over here. Line, kind of in that back area. Wiggly line here. By the way, don't forget, if you like scary drawings, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification right now. It takes 2 seconds, and it's going to subscribe you to all the Halloween drawing lessons, pretty much. Line over here, line. Line. We're just drawing the teeth in there, right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do some stylized line over here. I'm going to see I'm drawing these straight lines across, and they're going to represent darkness. Curve line in the nose first as well. And it's kind of that deeper part. We'll have, usually it's a pitch black, but I'm going to draw these lines across to kind of give it some style, I think. Line underneath. Same thing, another empty cavity area, so that's what kind of what we're gonna do. Line. And you can draw in the teeth right there, kind of like gravestones. They literally have that gravestone shape. Line. Curve. Line underneath. Line. Pull back up. Just gonna, straightening out the candle as well. And if you want to throw some little effects in, you can go boom, line, like right there. In this candle over here, curve in. I mean, it's another little shape, right, to make it look more like a real flame. And if you really want, you can have it like on the, like some waxiness here on the table. I don't think that's, bad. It's wax, guys. It's wax, all right? Line over here, like it's just sitting in this waxy, maybe the skull itself is like a candle. I don't know. It's cool because the cool part is you can create stories, from these little images in your mind. Like when you create a story, it makes the image look a little bit better, and it makes it make so much more sense. Where you're like, okay, if that was maybe the whole thing's a candle, like I just said, that's a little bit of a story there, right? Maybe there's where would this be, right? I don't know. I would buy it at Hot Topic or something, and I bought this candle for Halloween, and I put it outside as a decoration. That's kind of a lame story. The other story you could do would be like, okay, well, I'm Dracula, right? And I just wanted a candle that I shaped into a skull. I don't know. I guess I'm not good at stories, so. But the more you think of these little attributes, you can actually kind of create a lot of cool things that dictate what your stuff's going to look like. So let's just put like some ground plane over there, ground plane back here, right? The more you think about what's occurring in this little mini universe you've created, the better. Don't forget, by the way, hit that like button if you like this kind of stuff. If you like skull drawings, if you like the lessons here for Halloween, do that. Go check out. I'm going to put a store up for Halloween, so go definitely look at that one. There's going to be a lot of cool stuff on there. I'm going to put a Halloween Gumroad, I think. I think that's the easiest thing I can do is a Halloween Gumroad. I haven't set up yet, but I will. Probably in the next week or so. Right on. And right now I'm just drawing that little detail stuff, right? Like little nicks and marks make the whole thing look a little bit more realistic. It makes it look more like lived in, like it looks like somebody owned this thing, right? That's kind of what you're trying to make it look like. Like, oh yeah, you own this item. It's sitting in your desk somewhere. If you have anything you want to request that's Halloween related, like Jason Voorhees, which I've done a bunch, I'm going to draw more as well on the channel. Maybe there's some specific bad guys from movies or something that were kind of horror, they're scary, like horror related. I don't know, horror related is really hard for me to say. Let me know. That's gonna definitely be awesome. Just kind of, let me know in the comments. So if you want to reach out, maybe a curve underneath here. But I want to thank you for watching. If you guys want to reach out and say hi, I'm always down. Or check out the main channel, which is Easy Pictures to Draw. That is the main channel. That is it. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you in the next video, and we'll hang out soon. Alrighty? See you later.